What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into another video. Obviously, you know what this video is about. If you already clicked on it, you read the title. This is the giveaway for the 40,000 subscribers. Huge thank you to everybody who has supported over the last couple of years. Definitely, I feel amazing to be able to have such a large community behind me, and every day I just want to find ways to help you guys more and more. That being said, on my Instagram at SlowIntegra, I already mentioned that I was going to be doing a giveaway. I didn't say what exactly we were going to do, and that's where my friends over at Tuner Fiend actually helped me out. We got my boy Jesse over there actually sent some stuff over for you guys that I'm going to show you right now. So we definitely have some great goodies over here. The Bride Takata backpack. As a kid, I always wanted to have one of these, and now that it's in my possession, the only thing I want to do is give it away to one of you guys. That, as well as a Skunk 2 weighted shift knob, the 1 through 5 with reverse on the knob as well. Obviously, we got a couple stickers from Tuner Fiend, as well as some air fresheners and some goodies over here. A couple novelty keychains and some lanyards as well. On my part, I'm going to be putting in a shirt. This is actually one of the last drops that we just did. You saw it in the beginning of the video, the one that I had on. This is sized anywhere from medium to 3XL, so whoever wins, just let me know exactly which one you'll like, and I'll make sure to get you that. And obviously, that's not all I'm going to be giving away, and I know it's not much. I'm not a huge YouTuber or anything, but $100 in cash, all ones, because I had to save this over the last couple years since, you know, I'm very broke. But $100 all in ones. This is getting shipped to whoever wins this giveaway. $100, backpack, shift knob, stickers, shirt, lanyards, keychains, and whatnot. Super simple on how to enter it, but it's not going to take place here on YouTube. The only reason I'm making this video, it's because this is where it all started. The YouTube channel brought us all together, and then from that point forward, we transitioned to our social media platforms, and we just kind of kept on growing from that point forward. We're going to be doing this giveaway very simply on Instagram. I'm going to post a video on my Instagram at SlowIntegra. Make sure to give it a check it out, you know. I'm going to post a video with a detailed way on how to win this stuff. It's going to be very simple. Basically, make sure you're following Tuner Fiend, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and just tag a couple people in the comments. Super easy. We actually did a giveaway on Instagram, I think like a week and a half ago, for a K-Tune shifter, and it was super smooth and super easy on how we did it. If you don't have an Instagram, I'm sorry, but we're gonna limit this only to Instagram users, and it's super easy to sign up. It takes about 2-3 minutes if you have the time. Just go on there, put your email address, a username, and a password. You don't have to have an account with them afterwards. Like, if you just wanna use it for the giveaway, just follow the rules. If you win, then I'll make sure to get that stuff out to you. And if you don't want to use your Instagram after that, I totally understand. That's not a problem whatsoever. That being said, though, I'm going to wrap up this video because that does conclude the basis of it. We're just talking about the giveaway right now. Make sure to head over to the Instagram account. I'm going to do a more detailed video over there on how to win everything here. And yeah, hope you guys, you know, have the best of chances with this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.